Hello guys, welcome to our channel. So today we are looking at this problem, which is 3 multiplied by c is equal to 3 exponent 3. C exponent 3. Okay, so now it is, you can say that 3 c exponent 3 minus 3c is equal to 0. Okay, and also with this, we can say c into bracket c squared minus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, now this 3 here, you can create this here. Say create and destroy. 3 is equal to into bracket root 3 squared. Okay, so it's the same as root 3 squared. So we now rewrite this as c into bracket c squared minus root 3 squared. Okay, yes, root 3 squared bracket is equal to 0. Yes, terms in a bracket, you can express it in a quadratic equation. Okay, differences of two squares. Okay, this differences of two squares. So that is in indices a squared minus b squared is equal to, we have a plus b, okay, into bracket a minus b. So this is differences of two squares. So we write this as, so our a, now let's compare. Our a here is c. Okay, then our b is root 3. Okay, so now our equation now becomes c into brackets c plus root 3. That's the first term. Then into bracket c minus root 3. Okay, there's this, which is equal to 0. Okay, so now we can say that c is equal to 0. That is c1 is equal to 0. Then you can also get c plus root 3 is equal to 0. Okay, then with this, you can say that, let's name this c as c2. So you can say that c2 is equal to negative root 3. Okay, then with this, we have c, let's name this c as c3 minus root 3 is equal to 0. So our c3 is equal to positive root 3. Okay, now let's check and see if these answers are valid for the expression. Okay, so let's first check for, okay, so we are saying that we have 3c is equal to c exponent 3. Now c is 0, so 3 into bracket 0 is equal to 0 cube. Okay, 3 times 0 is 0. 0 exponent 3 is 0. So it means that indeed c1 is 0. Let's check for c2. So c2 is negative root 3. So we have 3 into bracket negative root 3, which is equal to negative root 3 bracket exponent 3. Okay, so this one to give us negative 3 root 3, which is equal to this, it should be negative root 3 multiplied by negative 3 multiplied by negative root 3. Okay, so when we simplify this, you are going to get negative 3 root 3 is equal to, now this and this give us 3. Okay, negative root 3 times negative root 3 will give us 3. Multiply by negative root 3. Okay, so this we have negative 3 root 3 is equal to 3 times negative 3 root 3 is negative 3 root 3. So this also holds for C2. It's left with a C3. C3 is equal to root 3. So in this case, we have 3 bracket root 3, which is equal to root 3 cube. Okay, so we know 3 root 3 is equal to root 3 multiplied by root 3 multiplied by root 3. So in this case, we have 3 root 3 is equal to this one to give us 3, then multiply by root 3. It means that we are getting 3 root 3 is equal to 3 root 3. So this also holds. So it means that our answers, which C1 is equal to 0, C2 is equal to negative root 3, and then C3 is equal to root 3. They are all correct for the expression. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting questions.